Meteorologist Heather Waldman continues our team coverage from Pollock Pines. So Heather, how is it looking out there?
Well, Andrea and Ty, since we got here, the snow has actually backed off a little bit. It's kind of these or smaller stinging snow grains. But if you look off in the distance, you can kind of get a sense that there's a little bit of fog developing in some places, and that fog will likely get a little bit more dense here as temperatures drop off later on tonight. So it's the combination of visibility and wind and the snow falling that's really creating those dangerous travel conditions. I want to show you video from our trip up here earlier this afternoon. We'll start off in Placerville, elevation about 2,000 feet. That's where we first encountered snow. We saw the rain change over to big fat snowflakes. It was really pretty on Main Street for at least a little bit, but within about 15 minutes, Main Street, Highway 50 nearby, both became very slushy. As we headed up the hill about another 500 to 1,000 feet, the roads very quickly became not only snow covered, but as we drove past some areas where there were some breaks in the trees, that's where the wind was blowing that snow across the road, and that's where we had some of that visibility dropping down to maybe about 100 to 200 feet at the most. And we actually had some issues finding our exit, not just because of the poor visibility in the air, but just because there wasn't a whole lot of area that was plowed. So even going 15 to 20 miles per hour, kind of difficult to spot there. There is a blizzard warning that is now in effect for most of the Sierra that was issued by the National Weather Service on Sunday. And while the actual blizzard warning isn't used all that often, it is not uncommon to see blizzard-like conditions when these stronger storms with heavy snow and strong winds come through the Sierra, as they so often do. But in order to get a true blizzard, there are three very specific criteria that needs to be met. You need visibility below a quarter of a mile, you need wind speeds or frequent wind gusts of at least 35 miles per hour, and you need those conditions to persist for 3 hours or more. Notice that falling snow isn't anywhere in that equation, so you can have those blizzard conditions equating to that blizzard without any new snow falling. And back out here live, obviously we've already got a lot of snow on the ground, so that ground snow can get blown around too. But again, whether or not we hit that blizzard criteria for this particular storm, blizzard conditions likely, those travel issues going to continue through tonight into the day Tuesday and likely into Tuesday night as well, as we've already got feet of snow on the ground, and as you heard from Mark, potentially feet more expected as you go up, especially into those higher elevations. Live in Pollock Pines, I'm meteorologist Heather Waldman. We'll send it back to you.